Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to hide approval notifications from showing up on your lock screen in Google Drive. If you've ever been bothered by these notifications popping up where anyone could see them, don't worry. It's really easy to change this setting. Let's go step by step so you can take control of your privacy right away. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you'll find all the options for managing the apps installed on your device. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, we're going to look specifically for Google Drive. You may need to scroll a little, depending on how many apps you have installed. But once you find Google Drive in the list, tap on it to open more detailed settings. Inside the Google Drive settings, you'll see different options. What we're looking for is notifications. Go ahead and select it. This will let you customize exactly how Google Drive alerts you about different activities. Next, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you'll see all the different types of notifications that the app can send. From here, select the category labeled Approvals, since that's the one that shows up when someone requests access or approval for a file. When you enter Approvals, you'll notice an option for Lock Screen. Tap on this setting, and you'll get a few choices. To hide these notifications from your phone's lock screen completely, select Don't Show Notifications. And that's it. From now on, any approval request coming through Google Drive will no longer appear on your lock screen. You'll still find them in your notification shade once you unlock your phone, but your lock screen stays clean and private. This quick change is perfect if you prefer to keep your notifications less cluttered, or if you want to make sure sensitive information isn't visible when your phone is locked. It only takes a minute, but it can give you a lot more peace of mind. Thanks for following along.